Welcome to Luxury Beast YouTube channel where we can explore all topics related to luxury. For more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like, comment, and share to your friends. Ten strategies for getting rich in your 20s. Imagine achieving millionaire status. How wonderful would it be to have the resources necessary to lead the way of life you've always desired? Imagine if you were able to accomplish this in your 20s. It is possible to become a millionaire at a young age, even if you think it seems impossible. I was a millionaire by the time I was 21. By the age of 23, my second millionaire pupil had followed my approach and had achieved financial success. The most striking feature? He accomplished everything by trading penny stocks. Years of education or training weren't necessary, simply a lot of effort and the appropriate strategy. He established its viability. Please keep in mind that anyone of any age can follow these guidelines. They can accelerate your journey to millionaire status if correctly followed. Here are some actions you may do to begin your path to financial success. First, concentrate on making money in dull niches. So many individuals today believe that the only way to become millionaires is to stick to uninteresting, well-known areas. You won't be able to become a millionaire through conventional careers like being a lawyer, doctor, or a banker for a very long time. In fact, these occupations usually have earning limits that are very difficult to break through. Get rid of your preconceived ideas about what it takes to become a millionaire. You don't have to go to school for many years to become a millionaire. Second, graduate studies and college are not relevant. College and graduate school are essentially worthless if your main objective is to become a millionaire, rather than to hold a particular kind of employment. They are expensive, they can put you in debt, and if you want to become rich, you could learn everything you need to know about the majority of subjects online for a fraction of the price of traditional college tuition. Third, give up your social life so you can study. It might be really difficult to want to give up your social life, especially in your early 20s. However, you must be ready to give up your social life in order to concentrate on your profession. If you want to actually become a billionaire, use this time to study, hone your talent, or focus on building your skills, product, or business. Your time will be better spent focusing on becoming a millionaire. The more you concentrate on developing your skills, the more you will be able to go out socializing. Fourth, recognize setbacks and mistakes along the way. Chances are, no matter where you want to take your career, you will experience a number of failures and setbacks. These errors are entirely typical. What matters is how you approach them. My first billionaire pupil actually lost a lot of money trading stocks in the beginning before he got the hang of it. Errors are common. What differentiates you is how you respond to them. Fifth, an attempt to surpass 1 million. Your goal shouldn't be to make money. Instead, you should concentrate on producing the finest product or service you can. The money will follow. You should never stop working toward your goal because they should always be expanding. If you want to earn $1 million, you need to start planning for your next objective as soon as you hit the first one. Sixth, never con people. The secret to making millions is to be honest and patient. Working with others requires honesty, failing which you will never achieve your financial goals. Criminal or unethical wealth never lasts and never bestows upon you the kind of professional standing that enables you to make millions. Seventh, take advantage of booming industries. You must invest early to profit when a given industry is extremely popular. Profit from these booming industries to begin generating millions. One of the most popular industries right now is social media, particularly Instagram, Snapchat, and Periscope. You can get the millions you seek by working in these popular industries. Eighth, you don't have to concentrate on cutting-edge technology. Many aspiring billionaires, particularly young aspiring millionaires, believe that in order to succeed, they must concentrate on next-generation technologies. This is untrue. Even combining something undated and uninteresting with a novel idea is what gave rise to eBay. Ninth, no matter where you reside. The ability of the internet to enable worldwide sales, trade, and financial gain is one of its main advantages. You don't need to physically reside in a large market to make money. You may run your business from anywhere that you have an internet connection. This is a fantastic chance to live where you really want to live and still make a ton of money. Lastly, you can prosper without making a profit from your firm. So many people are solely concerned with building profitable businesses. Businesses only require growth, users, and a competitive advantage. They don't even need to be profitable. Many companies are bought only for qualities other than profit margins. Just look at how many internet startups get sold. Put more emphasis on user growth than pure profit. No one will pay for a fantastic idea that has few adopters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Please like and share.